Hello grade 2s, how are you going? I'm here with your spelling lesson and your spelling words for the week. So our spelling sound this week, grade 2s, is a digraph and it's EA, making the sound E, just E. So can you all say that sound now? E. And just to remind mums and dads, because I know all the kids already know this, but a digraph is when two letters make one sound. Di means two and graph means letter. So we have the two letters EA making just one sound, E. Okay, let's get straight into it. Just as we did last week and as we do every week in class, we'll go through each word with our SMART spelling sequence, where the S stands for say the word, the M is where we discuss the meaning, the A is analyse. We look at the syllables in the word and also how many sounds are in each word. Then we try and remember the word, and then the kids try and teach it to someone else. So let's get straight into it. If I'm going too fast at any point, just pause, catch up, play the video again. Normally when we do this in class, these words would only take about 5-6 minutes to get through, so we do them very, very quickly. It's quite fast paced. Okay, our first word is bread. Kids, can you say the word bread? Good job. I'm sure you all know the meaning of the word bread. Let's analyse the word. So karate hands first to count our syllables. Ready? Bread. And I do one chop for each part in the word. So bread has only one syllable. Now let's count the separate sounds. So we put a fist in the air for this and we hold up a finger for each sound that we say. Ready? B, R, E, D. How many sounds? 4 sounds. Let's do that again. B, R, E, D. And we can hear that the E sound, our digraph, was actually made by 2 letters. So 4 sounds in the word bread. Okay, now in the remember part, I say the sounds, the kids repeat it back. I say the letter names, the kids repeat back. So let's give that a go. Sounds first. B, R, E, D, bread. Your turn, kids. Good job. Now we do the letter names. And when we've got a digraph, we say those letter names in a sing-song voice or in a high-pitched voice. And that's to mark it out as a digraph for the kids so that they remember that those letters made a digraph. So I'll show you how we do that. B, R, E, A, D, bread. One more time. B, R, E, A, D, bread. All right, kids, have a go at teaching that to your grown-up. So kids, you say the sounds, get them to repeat it back. Then kids say the letter names and get your grown-up to repeat it back to you. Grown-ups, it will probably be useful if you have these words written out on a piece of paper for your child to refer to when we're doing these lessons. Okay, pause the video and do that and then come back for the next word. Okay, the next word is thread. Can you guys say thread? Make sure when you do the th sound that your tongue is behind your teeth. Th, th, th. Thread. Good job. Does everybody know what thread means? A thread is a piece of string, a very thin piece of string, and we might use a piece of thread to sew our clothes or to sew something together. Let's analyse the word thread. So count the syllables first. Karate hands up. Thread. How many syllables? Just the one. Let's count the sounds. Ready? Th, R, E, D. Thread. Let's do it again. Th, R, E, D. Thread. And the interesting thing about this, I hope you guys got 4 sounds, I did. The interesting thing about this word is we have 2 digraphs. The th and our spelling sound this week, the EA, making an E sound. All right, kids, let's try and remember the words. So repeat after me, please. Th, E, D, thread. Good job, guys. Now I'm going to say the letter names and you repeat after me. Ready? T-H-R-E-A-D, thread. Good job. Okay, kids, have a go at teaching that word to your grown-ups, the sounds and then the letter names, and they'll repeat it back to you. I'll move on to our next word, which is heading. And if I was to put heading in a sentence, I might say I was heading down to the shops to get some milk. Or it might mean a heading like we write at the top of our page. Could mean either. Okay, now we've talked about the meaning, let's analyse the word. So karate hands up, we're counting syllables. Heading. How many syllables did you guys get? I got 2. I hope you did as well. Let's count the sounds. So fist in the air. He, e, d, I, n. Heading. That was a long word, so we'll do it again. H, e, d, I, n. Heading. 5 sounds. Let's have a look because there must be some digraphs in there. So I'm going to underline the digraphs, which are the NG, which make an sound, and you can feel that in your throat. And our spelling sound, which is EA. So if I say the sounds, kids, H, E, D, I, N, heading. Don't forget the I is a separate sound. Try it one more time. You can do it with me, kids. H, E, D, I, N, heading. That's a bit of a tricky one. Kids, I'm going to do the letter names now, and then I want you to repeat it back. So listen carefully. H, E, A, D, I, N, G, heading. Good job, guys. Now I want you to have a go at teaching that to your mum and dad. So do the sounds, then the letter names. Come back to the video for the next word. All right, the next word is spread. The meaning of the word spread, you might say, I spread my toast with peanut butter. Okay, let's analyse the words. So first of all, we do our syllables. Spread. How many syllables? Just 1. Let's count the sounds in the word spread. Are you ready? Spread. Spread. 5 sounds. Let's give it one more go. Spread. Spread. 5 sounds. Good job, guys. I'm going to say the sounds and then I want you kids to repeat it back to me. Are you ready? Spread. Spread. Good job, kids. I'll do the letter names now, and we do have that digraph in there. EA. So I'll use my sing-song voice for that. So S-P-R-E-A-D, spread. You give that a go, kids. Good job. Have a go at teaching it to your grown-up. I'll jump into the next word, which is ready. Can everyone say ready? You might say ready, set, go. So I think we all know what ready means. Let's analyse the word. You ready? Karate hands up. Ready. How many syllables did you get? I got 2. Let's count the sounds. Are you ready? R, E, D, E. Ready. Let's try and remember the words. So I'll say the sounds and you repeat them back to me. R, E, D, E. Ready. I've got that Y making an E sound. One more time with the sounds. R, E, D, E. Ready. And there's my digraph. All right, kids. I'm going to say the letter names. I want you to repeat it back to me. Ready? R, E, A, D, Y. Ready. Your turn. Good job, guys. Teach the word now. Teach it to your grown-ups. Say the sounds. Get them to repeat it back. Then say the letter names, get your grown-up to repeat it back to you. We'll move on to the last word. All right, boys and girls, our last word is instead. Can you all say instead? Good job. If we put the word instead in a sentence, I might say, I wore runners instead of boots. Okay, let's analyse the word now. So we're counting syllables, karate hands up, instead. How many syllables? That's right, we had 2. Let's count the sounds. I, n, st, e, d. Ooh, that was a long one. How many sounds did you get? I got 6. Shall we try it again? I, n, st, e, d. Instead. Good job, guys. Now it's time for us to remember the word. Okay, so I will say the sounds and you repeat it back to me. Ready? I, n, st, e, d. Instead. There's my digraph. That E and A is only making one sound. Okay, kids, you have a go at saying the sounds. Good job, guys. We're going to do the letter names now. Ready? I, N, S, T, E, A, D. Instead. Your turn now, kids, for the letter names. Good job, kids. Have a go at teaching it to your mum and dad. Pause the video while you do that and then come back for the last bit. All right, what you need to do now, boys and girls, is have a look at the spelling list which is uploaded with this video. You need to choose 3 words from the middle and end section. So it doesn't matter which bit they're from, 3 extra words. So with these 6 words, plus the 3 that you choose, they are your spelling words for the week. So you should have 9 words every week. I want you to write out these words and the 3 that you choose in your spelling book. And we'll do spelling activities with these words for the whole week. All right, guys, great job. I'm sure you are all joining in at home. Well done, everyone. See ya.